Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 338. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, give me some love, give me some support. Hope everyone's doing okay. And for my fans and friends who's fasting during the Ramadan, hope y'all are doing okay as well. I'm actually doing a little bit of a fast myself, just coincidental. I usually time it this year, but we'll see how that goes. The hunger has not kicked in yet, but I'm just setting up my notebook. I have 20 seconds to go. Each problem will have its own video and stuff like that, so definitely if that's what you're looking for, well, you could find it by the magic of YouTube search probably, but also I'll have it on the description. Okay, so we have, let's go, 10 seconds to go, and yeah, go. 5, 4, 3, okay. Man, I always worry that I didn't remember to register. Come on. Weight limit. Alright. This looks like it's gonna be an annoying problem. Okay. To the maximum possible sum. Okay. Oh, that's not so bad. Okay. If k is less than num1s, then return k. Otherwise, if k is less than num1s plus num0, return k. Oh no, that's not true. Num1s. And then you have to pick exactly. Okay, and then it's just return k num1s plus num0s, and then it is going to be return num1s minus k, right? Because they're all just negative ones. Okay, 2 and 3. That I don't expect the test cases to be that good anyway. And we're running into some server issues, maybe. I clicked on the one button, it didn't do anything. So that's not good, is it? Alright, but I guess we can wait a limit on somewhere. Alright, let's skip ahead then. Okay, so you're given soon. Pick an index I and pick before and pick a prime strictly less than num sub I and subtract p from num sub I. This is gonna be a crap contest, isn't it? But okay. So prime, okay. Second, so strictly increasing. That's interesting. 1,000? Still okay. Unknown error. Could be unknown error for a little bit. Okay, fine. That's the focus. Okay, so each number can change not that many times really, but and then what? I guess greedy actually is probably what we want, right? So basically we want this to be a 5, so we cannot. Oh wait. Actually, yeah, maybe just keep on removing stuff. Okay. This is kind of hard to prove one though. I gotta stop looking at that one. We'll go back to it later. We want to get all the primes. I should have had the prime sift ready. Then Okay, and then now, okay. Do they have to be positive? Oh, you have to pick. Oh, you haven't picked before. Oh, I actually messed this up. I mean, we need this anyway, but I think my idea is a little bit off. We should always make this as small as possible. Oh, strictly less than. Okay. I actually was thinking about some really big one. Okay. So, I usually want to refresh this just to see. Yeah. That's why I didn't want to refresh this, but then now I'm loading again and I can't even type into it. What a mess. There's no way this contest is gonna count, right? I can't even open this problem. I was gonna, let's see, can I think about what to write? One. Oh, I know how to do it, but I can't do it because, well, I guess I'll come back to it. I think now I know how to do it. Okay. Not that it matters, maybe. Okay, so you're given a nums of positive integers. Given an integer array queries, I've queried make all elements of nums equal to query sub I. What does that mean? Oh, so you want to make it all ones, and then basically you want to subtract. Okay, so that's 14. Okay. Okay, how do we want to do it? Obviously, going through the numbers is going to be rough. There's no way this contest is going to count, right? I'm like just really confused all over the place. How do I do this? Let's see. Right, first of all, we can sort, and then we... What do we do after we sort? I mean, we could binary search, but I don't know, and then maybe do a prefix sum or something? It's kind of a hard problem, I feel, but maybe I'm wrong. And this one is still not loading. I knew I shouldn't have refreshed, but it wouldn't have mattered, I guess. But I don't know how to test it anyway. I feel like there's some like thing about it. Do 10 to 5th queries? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Can't believe I'm staying up for this. But let me at least try to figure this out. How do we pre-process this in a better way? Frequency array? I feel like it's something with binary search, but I don't really know. Sorting and binary search. Okay, now I guess it's just not up. I should know how to do Q2, but okay. How do I do this one? we also want to sort the queries. I guess that's the other thing. Okay. And then, okay, I see. That's kind of hard actually to kind of do, to be honest. Oh, I can't do that yet. What I want is actually, okay, and then now, what do we want, right? So we take the first query. This is kind of annoying to do, really. So we have an answer, where is it? And then dot 0, and then basically for x in nums, x minus first, and then answer of and queries of 0 to 1 is equal to current, right? Okay, and then now we want to see I don't know how. I mean, I know how to do it, but it's just so easy to get wrong, especially since I can't one code or anything like that. It's very hard for me. It's just a lot of maths. If x is greater than first, then, and if x is equal to, then it doesn't really matter anyway, right? So then now for q index in queries, right? What I actually want is, maybe that's not what I want. What I want is if x is in first, then in now if then okay, and because it's sorted, it should be our first pointer. So then now the current is going to be sum of, okay, this is actually kind of annoying, but okay, so while pointer is less than n and num sub pointer, I wonder if there's a quicker, easier way for this one. I don't know that there is, but it's still basically no, that's not true. We want the other way, right? We want to get to a pointer where it's bigger. So then now what happens when it transitions, right? Okay, so last is equal to n queries of 0, 0, or just first, I suppose. And then now, so then the delta is going to be q minus the last thing. Last is equal to q, say. Put it at the end. And then basically, well, this is just pointed and then basically I need to do some processing as well though. So delta, so that means that maybe I'll draw it out. And then basically when we're shifting it upwards, what that means is that everything to the left, so something like current times pointer, and then every time that the pointer increments, then nums last one, or maybe even just okay. So if q is bigger than pointer, but okay, so num sub pointer minus last, right? Because last is smaller, so that's the delta that current is going to subtract, and then current sub at q minus num sub pointer, something like that. And then at the very end, oh, this is only because I also need something like that, right? And then now index is equal to current, something like this, but I'll never be able to test this. Yeah, well, okay, fine. Okay, let's see if I could do Q4. Okay. Can this at least like show me? I wish I'd kind of typed it in a little bit. I mean, I can maybe type it into like another thing, and then we'll see. Okay. It's an undirected, unrooted tree with n nodes indexed from 0 to n minus 1. You're given an integer n and a 2D integer array, and h sub I is equal to a sub I, b sub I. There's an edge between node a sub I and a tree. You're also given an array coins of size n, where coin sub I can be either 0 or 1, where 1 is the present of coin. Okay, what does that mean? So okay, so there's a coin in 0 and 5. There's these edges. You want to collect all coins that at most 2 from the current vertex, or move to any adjacent tree. I see. So then now, in this case, it's 2 because you start 2. So you start at 0, collect 4 and 3, move to 2, collect at 7, and then move back. This is like another one of those like rerouted tree things, isn't it? How do I do it? I don't know that I know how to do this one very well, so maybe it's just as well that this one is just not contest counting. I wish I didn't refresh this, though I do know how to do it. So maybe I'll just like post it on a notepad or something and maybe submit it later. Can I do something like So essentially, you just want to move everything closer to you by 2 or something like this, and then maybe recalculate. Definitely not my strength. Let's see. Two. Well, you always want to. Okay, let's say we rooted the tree at 4. What does that mean? Right? Let's see. If we rooted the tree at 4, we have something like 1, and then 3, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, and then this is a tree. So how many things are 2 nodes away? I guess because of the star graph, it can be all of them really. So you can't really do anything like to whatever about it. But I suspect it's the same kind of idea of Or appear shortest path? No, that doesn't make sense necessarily. I mean, you could calculate from the math, maybe. No, because then you don't. You definitely need to know the. Definitely need to know the structure of the tree, so you can't really just. Even if you have the shortest path thing. Man, really, what's there? These tree algorithms. Oh, it just came back. Okay, let me just finish typing this one then. This video is going to be all sort of mess, but basically, for I in range of n, for if I is equal to 0, we could see if was it num sub I minus j. So for j in range of from 0 to nums, well, we want it from num sub I minus 1 to 1, which is 0 minus 1. Okay. If j is the new number, if j is the new number, so I guess this has to be at least a 2. If num sub I minus j is prime. Now I'm doing this in a weird way. So what we want is we want this to be 1 and then num sub I, right? Basically, if then now this is a prime, then we just break, right? We said num sub I is equal to j, we break, and we're happy. Okay, and then else, for j in range of num sub I minus 1 plus 1 has to be at least 1 bigger, and then num sub I, then same idea really. Right, and then just do one more pass. If num sub I is bigger than or equal to num sub I plus 1, then we return false, return true. I don't know if I could submit, but yeah, I still can run it, but I think that should be good. This is only 1,000 square. Let's go back to here. I really have no idea how to do this, to be honest. Yeah, well, yeah, nice of them to kind of bring it back for me, but okay, so let's say we start at the leaves. I think we have to start at the leaves, right? And then we BFS from the leaves. And then get the centroid that way? Is that even reasonable? I don't know if that's a reasonable thing. But I can start. Right? Oops. This is 0 indexed. Yep. Okay. Okay. And then now, I don't know if this is right. The other 3 problems I am reasonable about it, but this one not so much. Okay. What is that? All I need? So basically the states would be how many are here, how many are 1 and then 2 away maybe. Would that really make sense? Can I do it that way? I don't know. Yeah, because I didn't need that. And then now coin at 0, coin at 1, coin at 2, right? Is equal to q.pop left. And then for v in e of now, we do stuff, but that's not even interesting. Or maybe I don't know. This is a good idea, to be honest. We'll see. But okay, right? So okay, so then now, oh yeah, oops, I do need this. I need something like this anyway. And then we have C1, C2. Wait, did I do it the other way around? I think what I want is actually, yeah, C0, C1, and then coin sub V, but then now we have to do something with C2. If C2 is greater than 0. Answer something like this, maybe. I think I'm doing this a little bit wrong though. Because this shouldn't be part of the thing. This should be so then now right. And then now what is this saying? This is saying that C1 of V is C0. Something like this, maybe. But I can't test this, so I don't know. All right, well, I don't know what I want to do here, to be honest. Like, am I going to, am I going to, I don't know. I do want to run this just like once at least, but I don't really have anything set up to do it. Let me just paste it into like a random command line. You can't see it, sorry friends. What I want is solution.collect the coins of I want to at least like get this examples right, hopefully. And I'm just like literally pasting into a command line. List is not defined. I don't even know what the like from. I actually don't know how to set it up locally. I mean, there's no way this is weighted anyway. But I want to at least, you know, if I'm going to do a video on it, then you know, at least I want to make sure that it's not blatantly wrong. And this one is the one that I'm not confident about. Collections. Where's collections? Import collections, maybe. I think that's it. 2 and 4. Okay, so 2 is right on here, but 4 is wrong here. Definitely need to debug this. I think the viewing is right, but I'm doing something a little bit weird. Because basically I'm pausing it here and I'm saying that I see. So this is the number of edges that we want to go, but we want to go to the last, but then this still shows 2 here. Because let's see, let me just print out some stuff. Sorry, you can't see me debug, but so basically this is 1 away. 0, this doesn't make sense. I'm doing it a little bit wrong for sure. Yeah, this one I'm now very confident it is wrong, but what am I trying to do? So C1 is the number that's C2 away. So that doesn't make sense. Oh, I see. I need to, that's why I did it this way. Okay, I need to do something like this instead. I kind of did this in a funky way for some reason. So that it inherits it. Okay. Let me also copy that to my local thing. I think some stuff is still a little bit off, but I think this is what I meant to do more. Okay. So then now I have the right answer. -2 for the initial one. So I don't know if this is right though. Well, that obviously isn't gonna work. I don't know why I tried it, but though my array is a little bit off. Unless I'm oh no, it's right. I put in the examples in reverse order, so I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay. This is wrong because I'm not looking at the back edges. So basically this is looking to the back edges. That's why this is wrong, or this part anyway. So I need to fix that. Though it doesn't matter because we don't go when we. Okay, I see. It should be okay, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna just ask Josh to to manually grade this for me. Where is this guy? Yeah, I'm asking him specifically to not give me hints, just to kind of, I don't know, because this one I might want to redo, but the other ones I could probably figure out. Though I don't know. I don't know if I could upload the video this quickly, just because. I guess this contest is still going on in China or something, is what someone telling me. So I don't want to get in trouble with China. Oh wait. Not sure. Josh is not sure, but I don't know. I don't think this is quite right though. This isn't quite right because if we have two disjoint things, I don't think I propagate it enough. How do I adjust that? Well, basically the idea is, let's say you have this thing, right? But longer, then I think it'll be wrong. So I could actually just type it into my thing, I guess. I don't know how many I added. I added 3 different things. Against 4 different things. Sorry, friends, that you can't see me do this. But you know, blame Leetcode. Oh, this seems like it would be a very good problem, to be honest. Yeah, because I returned 0, which is definitely not right. Oh, because I did the coins wrong. Maybe. Oh yeah, I'm missing an index, that's why. 2. Yeah, 2 is definitely wrong. Basically, I'm just doing this one, but with more elements, and it should need to propagate So I think that's wrong. Yeah. Basically now it should be saying that if this is the case, then yes, but then also C1 of now, we want to add it to C2 of now because we want to keep on taking that propagation. I don't know why I don't know if this is enough to fix it, to be honest, but is that the right answer? Let me, because basically I have a 10 node, so I have to write it out manually. Let's see. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have coins at the end. So then now you have to go from 1 to 2 to 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like how many? Oh, there's 6 numbers for 5 paths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I guess that's actually right for this example. But I'm still not confident about it. Yeah, I mean, there's no way that we can do this, right? Like there's no way this counts. I don't know if I want to submit it and then like, you know, but does this work now? Oh, it works. 2 and 3. Did they code it unrated? I'm really... Did they call it unrated officially? Because I don't want to. I mean, at this point, you know. They really need to. Yeah, I don't think I want to risk it at this point. That would be silly. But they said Q3. 1 and 3 on the easier side? Is that true? Maybe. This one's easy, I think, but well, okay. I have to get it right first. Oh, oops. Whatever. True force, okay. I don't know. Should I YOLO this? I guess waiting doesn't really matter, right? 2 and 3. Okay, whatever, YOLO. Too late. Get that thing done. True force. Submit. Okay, good. Let's try it. 14, 2 and 20. Oh, this is wrong. I mean, this is so easy. Let me see if this one first. This is the one that I'm interested in. 2, 2. Okay, let's give it a submit. No. Okay, this is a. I mean, okay. I didn't know that you could have no edges. That's kind of why, but that's a little bit silly. And then what about 1, right? Let's see. Is that 0? I guess so. Okay. I don't know if I don't know if I can fix this, but let me fix this one first then. 14, 2. So the first number is always going to be right, but why is this wrong? So we have a 5. Oh, this delta is, no, it should be right, maybe. Okay, so then now delta q, delta times pointer, delta times and minus pointer. Okay, so it goes from 1 to 5. Yeah, okay. So that means that delta is 4. So basically, every number that's to the right of it got, okay. Maybe it isn't quite right. Okay, now, well, that part is true, so, okay. Because now with an okay. I don't know if this is right, to be honest. The examples are not great, so we'll give it YOLO submit. Okay, good. This one I don't know how to fix. Let's kind of take a look at this one then. People saying Q3 is easy, but actually that was kind of hard for me. Okay, so this is basically a straight. No, that's not true. Let me. I'm using a notepad in case you're wondering. 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 4, 8, 7, 9, 7, 10, 10, 11. Okay, and then we have one at 0. We have one at 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then I put 2, but it should be 4. Basically, we want the zeros to, we have to visit 2. And then we have to visit 5. That makes sense that it should be 4. But why do I only have 2 then? Okay, let's take a look. Where am I anyway nowadays? I mean, what is silliness? But 4 is going to be the last number, I think. So let's see. Let's get rid of. Okay, so here 4 should be the number, or I mean either 2 or 5 is fine too. Why is 2 so late in the queue? So we put the 0, 3, 8. Maybe that's why. Oh, because of the 8. Now it goes into both directions. So I'll see. I see why this is wrong. Well, tell me why. So it goes to 4 and then it goes to 5 and then things just go awry because basically I'm starting from the middle instead of at the ends as I was hoping. Starting from the leaf doesn't work, so then what can we do? How much time do I have left? 40 minutes. I mean, I want to say you can only start from a leaf that has a coin, but I feel like is this going to be one of those 2 depth first search things? Yeah. I don't know why I did it this way, now that I think about it, but it's fine. Basically, everything is going to be forced, so it's just the same idea. How do I want to write it? I mean, depth first search and breadth first search is the same, I guess. Okay. I actually do want it to be recursive, actually, so let's just say okay, we don't need these things. And E of node. Okay, that's the structure, but that's not quite sufficient, is it? Basically, we want to start at okay. And then maybe something like node 1 away, node 2 away, and then the accumulated edge. So maybe C1, C2, total, something like that, right? No, I would do it, but now I have to be a little bit careful. So basically, we will return the number of edges. Oh no, and then we have to do that like star graphy thing. Oh my, that's annoying. I guess it's just not an update, but that's fine. This is like literally the other problem, but just like way more annoying, isn't it? In implementation. wonder how many people got it. It might refresh with this actually. I'll just do it from here. 18 people got it. That's actually not that many, is it? Let me see if I could look at the China contest ranking to see how many people finished it or whatever. How do I see the leaderboard? Nope, that's not the leaderboard button. Oh, rankings. So this is the leaderboard. Seems like not many people saw this, to be honest, and I can see why. I'm kind of demotivating myself, but I mean it's the same concept as before, but I just don't. I actually would have had a good rating, I think, because I did the first 3 pretty quickly. I don't think I had a wrong answer. All my wrong answers are on this one, so okay. So then now, see. So now this is coins. Sub node C1. I don't know how much effort I want to do this, especially it doesn't count, but basically you're going to that node saying and then you want that to be the C. Okay, so I think yeah, okay. I mean, I think you just kind of okay, we don't worry about this yet, and then now the same thing we had before, but right, and then okay, and then basically C1 C1 of node we added to C1 of parent. We added to coins of parent. C2 of node we added to C1 of parent. Right. Basically, we're going down the tree and then propagate it, right? And then now we do maybe a second one. I do. Okay, I think this was a trick that I do remember, but I didn't do it last time. But hopefully this time maybe I could do it a little bit better. Oh man, I clicked on refresh. So oh no, I have it here. So okay, I just wanted to have all the test cases. It's fine. Okay. Okay, maybe that's the structure, and then how do I do the count, right? So basically, I almost want to just do a diameter of the coins, to be honest. But I don't know if that would help. Okay, so then now, how do I? What am I doing? Right. So okay, so then now, okay, let's say I'm going to use my thingy, and I go all the way down. Okay, so this is 1, 2. This is 0, 1. This is 0, 1, maybe 0, 2. No, this is no. This is 1. Yeah, this is 1, 2. But this is 1, 1 on the recursive on the rerouted tree. It's just that now, okay. So basically, the parent now. This thing has to return some stuff, doesn't it? I don't know how to do this, maybe. Okay, I've updated up. I mean, not that the rankings really mean anything. No, now I can. Oh, great! Now I can't even test anymore. Anyway, okay, so this should return the number of nodes that are 1 away or 2 away, right? So, okay, so return coin sub node is 1 distance away when you return, and then 2 away will be the sum of the things that are 1 away. So okay, so then yeah, okay, maybe something like that, right? And then now we have to get the edges from all these things. That's kind of the harder part. I think it's similar to what we had before, but maybe like something like a is equal to and then if there are 2 array, then this has to a node 2, right? If c2 of node is greater than 0, because then now we're propagating that distance, maybe. I don't know, that's true. And this, right? I don't know. Let's leave it over now. So basically, okay, we also want to return the answers of, okay, fine. Right, this is just A. Basically bringing it back, and then here we kind of I'm using terrible names, forgive me. And then a dot node a dot parent, right? And a dot node right? I don't know if this is true. Whatever. Oh, I never increment this. Basically, if there's a 2, then we have to carry something, right? So if r of 1 is greater than 0, if c of 2 of parent is greater than 0, then something like this as well, maybe. Right. But then how do we know which, because this is clearly not the answer doing the 4. So we can't just take the min of this. Why do I have all these zeros? Which one is this one? So if I start at 0, if I start at 0, this visualization is terrible. 0, we get 4 on, which is fine maybe, and then 2 on the 2. But why is 1 so bad? Basically, from 0, it does a recursion, but it doesn't. Oh, I see, because it's not merging to the other side the way that I'm doing it. That's why we needed the second one, maybe. How do I do it then? Basically, the two node thing is a little bit confusing. So basically, my own contribution. Okay. So basically, my C1 that's gonna be C1, and then that's C2, and then C2 of node. No, that's not right. C1 isn't even right, is it? C1 is I don't know. Okay, I think maybe that's fine, but then now I don't know how to do this one. Maybe I give up. Maybe there's a reason why even like very smart people here. I feel like this is the idea-ish, but I'm having trouble kind of just doing all the tracking. Maybe it's just the diameter of or not the diameter. What's it called? Centroid. I don't know how to do centroid decomposition, to be honest. So. Maybe I'll ask chat that open to give Python code for centroid decomposite. But I want it weighted by the number of I want it weighted by the coins, so not just like a naive centroid. I'm just reading up on OpenAI, how to do centroid stuff. Alright. Maybe the future is now. Let me copy and paste it somewhere actually. And let me actually just reopen another window. And then I don't know why my neighbors are just kind of being loud. Okay. Let me copy this code. I don't know if this works actually, so we'll see. What does weights do? Does this even work? I don't know this subtree thing. Yeah, I guess that makes sense actually. So then now we want to say man, what are these edges? Don't know how this code works, but what is graph? Maybe I could do something like decompose tree. Parent E, the centroid parent, and weights is going to be coins, maybe. Oh wait, no, because it's a little bit different. Because basically, weights. I don't even know that weights is actually being used. Oh wait. This code may not actually even work. I don't know what this code is doing, to be honest. Let's see, right? It claims that it's doing something about the edges, but that doesn't make sense, maybe? Let's just return 5. Does this even one? At least it doesn't break, but apparently. I don't know what this means. Or at least there's no -1, which is very awkward. Well, you get what you paid for, I guess. I have some ideas I want to play with, that's all, but because it should have like a -1 for the centroid, and this code is just not working. Man, Chat GPT, whatever it is, not really working well. I guess we'll wait till the end of the contest just to kind of see how it ends. I want to say I want to get this centroid of the yeah, I don't know that this is quite right. This code is so weird. How does this even... I'm just messing around because I have no idea what to do. It is definitely not finding the centroid quite right. Because it doesn't even do anything with the weights, right? That is incorrect. The weights are on. And of course, all right, let's see this version of the code. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm only doing this, just to be clear, because it doesn't count, but it is kind of interesting that in the future, maybe this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Still, as you can see, doesn't really do anything. I don't know what this... I mean, am I doing this well? I don't know enough about centroid. So just part of the exploration. I need to... I should go to sleep soon, but that's besides the point. No edge weights. No, only node weights. Yeah, I don't know. This is so weird. Like, do we ever actually use edge weights? We don't even use it. Why is it generating code for me? And then it doesn't even... I don't know. I'm really confused. There's something really wrong with the code, but I don't know enough to tell you. Because basically it's saying this root of 0 is 1, 2, and then 2 is 2. Maybe that's it. I don't know. And this is 4, maybe? Is that right? Yeah, maybe it's right. Alright, I'm going to try this and then see what happens. I have 7 minutes. In theory, I should be able to do this. But we'll see if I actually do. Oops. And then we try to calculate from here. Which basically, how do we do it? Parent, right? How do I even do it? Let's say we have the centroid, right? What is it? Basically, yeah. Okay, so basically Maybe I'll do the same thing that I was going to do anyway. Well, that's not good. This is kind of weird, but okay, fine. Do I go for this? I guess I do. That's weird. Why is it not adding anything? That's not really much printing for so many things, is it? Yeah, why isn't it printing anything for so many things? So it's not doing this recursion for some reason. Huh? Is it like removing my edge list for some reason? Is that why? Yeah, it's removing my graphs for some reason. Okay, fine. Well, that's not right either, though. So, oh wait, no, that is right. Maybe I forget what the answer was for the 4. I think the 4 action might be wrong, but it is right for the other ones if I subtract 2, which maybe doesn't make sense either. I was hoping that would work. I don't know how to do this one. I thought Centroid. I mean, I was trying to do that version from there. I think this is probably fine, but I guess we'll know soon enough. So it adds 1 and 1, and then at 4, and this is this one. At 1, 0, but 0 should be just what? 1, 0, 4, at 1, 0, 1. I think I just messed up. Cannot run it. Yeah, I think I just finished under, so we'll see if this works real quick. If it's wrong, I don't know. Okay, well, no idea. Let's see if we can look at the Chinese server and see if that works. Not sure about that one. Let's see. Maybe there's a LCA. I'm not sure that I understand it immediately. So, I mean, I guess I didn't know this one. There's something about a deb. I see that a few times. Okay. I guess this is just whatchamacallit, the diameter of a tree, but I don't know. Given that, cartoons one. Oh, that, I guess I thought about doing it that way, but it's fine. I think this is the way that I kind of implemented it, though maybe not quite that way. So to a degree, and then this is kind of the way that I did it the first time, but I mean, this is very similar to the way that I was thinking about it the first time, but I wasn't able to get it right. Okay. This is actually a pretty good shortcut, but I don't know how. I mean, I get some. I think this is just very similar to the way that I did it, but I don't know how. The way that I wanted to do it, the recursion, but I couldn't get it quite right. This way, but I couldn't really do the math right. It's very hard for me. I think the idea is right, but I tried this idea too, but returning the edges. But this is just ridiculous. I don't know how to do it, even reading codes. I mean, this is literally the way that I tried to do it, but So there's a DP. Got it. What is U? U is the current node. Yeah, I mean, I did this part. I mean, I think my idea was mostly right, but I'm missing some like some observation or something like this. I mean, I think I did it this way too. With another problem, it just seems, I don't know, impossible to get right, to be frank. But Right. Not gonna lie. Josh did tell me, just messaged me a way to do it. I'm gonna see if I can get it right, and then I guess we'll see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's one of those things where he just mentions one thing, and I'm like, of course it is. So let me see if I can implement that correctly, and then we'll see. I think it's actually very similar to one of my initial ones. If I can fetch it anyway. Okay. I guess this is useless. I just put it here. Okay. Basically, okay. So then now here. Okay. Basically. If this is the case, then we can remove the nodes. Okay, so then that's a pretty cool solution. Let me see if I can actually implement it. Okay, so then now, G of now. If coins of V is equal to 0. Now, but otherwise, basically for B and D, Maybe I didn't need to do it this way. Well, I need to do it this way. And then if we okay. I think this is a good idea. The way that, okay. And then now, yeah, okay. And then, so now the graph will shrink by all the unnecessary edges. And then now we just do it twice, as they say. Just do length of E over I. Maybe that's a little bit cleaner. Or like less issues, I think. And then, yeah, if d plus 1 is less than 2, so we don't care anymore about the coins. And then now, by 2 maybe. Oops. Oh no. Okay, I still have this stuff, so. Of course it doesn't work. I mean, like Leetcode. I tried. So you get 22. And more examples, but I guess it's these. Not that I know the answers anyway. Oh, I guess they tell you, so that's fine. 3, 14, that's not right. Let's see the number. Let's see the edges that are left. Ah, oh, come on. This is so frustrating that the server is still having issues 15 minutes after the contest. But okay, so now we have. Okay. So it would move to 0 nodes and then to 1 nodes, right? Oh, wait, no, it should be this. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't need to. This is the latest. I'm sleeping in a while. This is unfortunate. Maybe I should have just skipped this contest and do it in the morning. Yeah, I'm really close. Let's give it a submit. Would refresh, but I don't even know if refresh would work. I clicked on submit and it's not, it's waiting or whatever. Oh, there you go, pending. Yeah. All the credit goes to Josh. I didn't think about this one. That's what I have for this video. This is already getting late, so I'm going to record the explanations. Definitely check that out. If you're here, thanks for watching, and leave a comment so I could give you props next time. Yeah, I mean, it is unrated probably. So yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.